So here we have the Dimplex Hub, which is controllable with Apple or Android. So I think it connects the Dimplex Quantum RF series models together, and I think you can control up to 20 different items. So if you've got Dimplex Quantums and they're the RF series, it's probably a good idea to get one of these. You can control it. Also, it does control the Qrad RF ones, and also the Quantum hot water tank. So if you have the hot water tank, the Qrads, and the Quantums, it's probably a good idea to be able to get one of these, so you can then use your app on your phone to control all your different devices within the home. So it connects to your internet, and you can have it either mounted to the wall. There's a template here for the drill holes if you want to mount it on the wall, and you can, oh look, it's got a plug here, or you can have it laying flat. So this plug socket will take European plugs and UK plugs. And what's this? This is a battery, it looks like. A lithium ion battery. And that's probably to go into here, so it can carry on working if it loses power. Not really sure what the app does because I haven't downloaded it and used it, but this is what's inside the box. Yeah, I might come across one and use it, get it all set up, and then I'll make a video on that. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and keep a lookout for other videos about Dimplex Quantums and other things like that. Okay, thank you for watching, bye.